Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not feeling well, but I got this Valentine's Day card from my program called Teens that I go through the Boys and Girls Club, and I just wanted to film me open it. Let me just take, oops. You can see that there was tape. It's because they had chocolate tape to it. Yeah, sorry, I woke up. But I wanted to film this right now. So here we go. Oh, look at it. Oopsie. I can't read. It says, Happy Valentine's Day, Boys and Girls Club, Fort Erie. Probably can't read it because it's backwards, but that's what it says. Because students are for the Boys and Girls Club. Oh no, which means no! It's also from someone else too at the same time because they work in the Boys and Girls Club. It's good. Whatever, I guess. That is like the best. I'm just gonna keep it in here for now, but I'm gonna put it on a special shelf in my bookshelf that I have for special cards like this one. I still got a bag of cinnamon heads for Valentine's Day. I've been munching on these this morning. So yeah, just wanted to show you that. If anyone from the Boys and Girls Club Fort Erie is watching this, thank you so much for being a great club for me to make friends in. Thanks, bye. Bye everyone. Have a great Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye.